So, you've heard the buzz about Lunar, the new cryptocurrency taking the crypto world by storm. But how do you actually buy it? Let's dive into the exciting world of Lunar and explore the steps involved in acquiring this digital asset. Understanding Lunar crypto. Before we delve into the buying process, let's quickly recap what Lunar is all about. Lunar is a decentralized cryptocurrency that leverages blockchain technology to offer secure and transparent transactions. It's designed to revolutionize various industries, from finance to gaming. Step-by-step guide to buying Lunar crypto. Choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. The first step is to select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports Lunar trading. Look for exchanges with strong security measures, user-friendly interfaces, and a good reputation. Some popular options include Coinbase, a beginner-friendly exchange with a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Lunar. Binance, a more advanced exchange offering a vast array of trading pairs, including Lunar. Kraken, known for its security and advanced trading features. Create an account. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account. This usually involves providing basic personal information and verifying your identity through a KYC, Know Your Customer, process. Fund your account. To buy Lunar, you'll need to deposit funds into your exchange account. Most exchanges accept various payment methods, such as credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Search for Lunar. Use the exchange's search bar to find Lunar. You may need to type Lunar or its ticker symbol, e.g., Lunar, to locate it. Place a buy order. Once you've found Lunar, you can place a buy order. Exchanges typically offer two main order types. Market order. This order buys Lunar at the current market price. Limit order. This order allows you to specify the price at which you want to buy Lunar. Secure your Lunar. After purchasing Lunar, it's crucial to store it securely. Consider using a hardware wallet like a Ledger Nano or a Trezor. These devices provide offline storage, safeguarding your crypto assets from potential hacks. Tips for buying Lunar crypto. Do your research. Stay informed about Lunar's price trends, market news, and technical analysis. Start small. Begin with a modest investment and gradually increase your holdings as you gain more confidence. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider investing in other cryptocurrencies to spread risk. Stay updated. Keep up to date with the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market. Buying Lunar crypto is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can confidently navigate the world of cryptocurrency and invest in Lunar. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.